The Egyptian pyramids stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of a bygone era. These colossal structures, rising from the desert sands, have captivated the imaginations of travelers, scholars, and dreamers for centuries. Their sheer scale and enigmatic presence evoke a sense of wonder and mystery, whispering tales of ancient rituals, powerful rulers, and extraordinary engineering feats. The pyramids are not merely tombs, they are testaments to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization that flourished on the banks of the Nile. From a distance, the pyramids appear as geometric mountains, their smooth, triangular faces shimmering under the desert sun. As you approach, their immense size becomes strikingly apparent, dwarfing everything in their vicinity. The sheer volume of stone used in their construction is staggering, with millions of blocks, each weighing several tons, carefully fitted together with astonishing precision. The pyramids are an awe-inspiring spectacle, a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and determination. The pyramids' enduring allure lies not only in their physical grandeur but also in the mysteries they hold. How did the ancient Egyptians, with their seemingly limited technology, manage to construct such colossal structures? What rituals and beliefs accompanied the burial of their pharaohs within these monumental tombs? Over the centuries, explorers, archaeologists, and historians have sought to unravel the secrets of the pyramids, piecing together the story of their construction and the civilization that created them. While we have learned much about the pyramids, many questions remain unanswered. The passage of time has eroded some clues and obscured others, leaving us with tantalizing glimpses into a distant past. Yet the mystery surrounding the pyramids only adds to their allure, inviting us to delve deeper into the annals of history and explore the wonders of ancient Egypt. To understand the pyramids, we must journey back in time to the zenith of ancient Egyptian civilization, the Old Kingdom period, around 2686 to 2181 BCE. This era witnessed the flourishing of Egyptian art, architecture, and culture under the rule of powerful pharaohs who were considered to be divine kings. The pyramids were a physical manifestation of this divine kingship, serving as both tombs for the pharaohs and enduring symbols of their power and authority. The ancient Egyptians believed in an afterlife, a realm where the pharaoh's spirit, or ka, would live on after death. The pyramids were designed to ensure the safe passage of the pharaoh's ka into the afterlife. They were not merely burial chambers, but elaborate complexes containing everything the pharaoh would need in the next world, from food and weapons to furniture and jewelry. The pyramids were, in essence, palaces for eternity, reflecting the wealth and splendor of the pharaoh's earthly reign. The construction of a pyramid was a massive undertaking, requiring the labor of tens of thousands of skilled workers over many years. It was a testament to the pharaoh's power and the organizational skills of the Egyptian state. The pyramids were not built by slaves, as is often portrayed in popular culture, but by skilled laborers who were paid for their work. These workers took great pride in their craft, and their legacy lives on in the enduring grandeur of the pyramids. The pyramids were more than just tombs. They were also symbols of the pharaoh's authority and the stability of the Egyptian state. The construction of a pyramid was a statement of power and permanence, a declaration that the pharaoh's reign was blessed by the gods and destined to last for eternity. The pyramids were a source of national pride, uniting the Egyptian people under the rule of their divine king. They stand today as a testament to the ingenuity, dedication, and spiritual beliefs of an ancient civilization that continues to captivate the world. The construction of the pyramids was an extraordinary feat of engineering, requiring a deep understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and logistics. These monumental structures were not just tombs, but symbols of the pharaoh's divine power and the ingenuity of ancient Egyptian civilization. The ancient Egyptians were masters of quarrying, transporting, and shaping massive blocks of stone, using techniques that continue to amaze and baffle modern engineers. Their ability to extract and move such enormous stones with precision is a testament to their advanced skills and knowledge. The precision with which they aligned the pyramids to the cardinal points, using only the stars as their guide, is a testament to their advanced astronomical knowledge. This alignment was crucial not only for religious reasons, but also for ensuring the structural integrity of the pyramids. The first step in building a pyramid was quarrying the massive limestone blocks that formed its core. These blocks were meticulously chosen for their quality and durability, ensuring the pyramid would stand the test of time. Using copper tools and wooden wedges, workers would carefully cut the blocks from the bedrock, leaving behind perfectly smooth surfaces. This process required immense skill and precision to ensure each block fit perfectly with the next. Once quarried, the blocks were transported to the pyramid construction site, a task that required immense manpower and ingenuity. The logistics of moving these heavy stones over long distances were complex and required careful planning. Workers would haul the blocks on sledges, using rollers and levers to move them across the desert sand. This method reduced friction and made it easier to transport the massive stones. Once at the pyramid site, the blocks were carefully lifted and placed into position using a system of ramps, levers, and rollers. This intricate process required precise coordination and teamwork. The exact method used to lift the blocks to the upper courses of the pyramid is still debated by scholars, but it is clear that the ancient Egyptians possessed a deep understanding of mechanics and leverage. Their innovative techniques continue to inspire and challenge modern engineers. As the pyramid grew taller, the ramps would have been extended, and the angle of inclination adjusted to maintain a manageable slope for hauling the blocks. This adaptability was key to the successful completion of these towering structures. The final stage of construction involved casing the pyramid in smooth, white limestone blocks that were quarried from across the Nile River. These blocks were transported with great care to ensure they arrived in perfect condition. These casing stones, which were carefully fitted together with a thin layer of mortar, gave the pyramid its characteristic smooth triangular shape. The precision of this work is evident in the seamless appearance of the finished structure. The casing stones were polished to a high sheen, reflecting the desert sun and creating a dazzling spectacle that could be seen for miles. This brilliant finish not only enhanced the pyramid's beauty, but also symbolized the pharaoh's eternal brilliance and divine nature. Of all the pyramids of Egypt, none is more iconic than the Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu. This monumental structure has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike for centuries. Built by the pharaoh Khufu during the 4th dynasty, around 2575 to 2465 BCE, the Great Pyramid is the oldest and largest of the 3 pyramids at Giza and is considered one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Its construction marked a pinnacle in ancient Egyptian architectural achievement. For over 4,500 years it stood as the tallest man-made structure on Earth, a testament to the ambition and ingenuity of its builders. This incredible feat was not surpassed until the construction of the Eiffel Tower in 1889. The Great Pyramid is truly colossal in scale, covering an area of over 13 acres and containing an estimated 2.3 million stone blocks. Each block weighs between 2 and 15 tons, showcasing the sheer scale of the project. Its original height was 481 feet, although it has lost some of its upper stones over the millennia. Today, it stands at around 455 feet, still an imposing sight on the Giza plateau. The pyramid's interior is a labyrinth of passages and chambers, including the King's Chamber, which houses Khufu's granite sarcophagus. These internal structures add to the mystery and complexity of the pyramid. The pyramid's design is a marvel of engineering, with its internal chambers and passages precisely aligned to astronomical phenomena. This alignment suggests a deep understanding of the cosmos by the ancient Egyptians. The construction of the Great Pyramid was a massive undertaking, requiring the labor of tens of thousands of skilled workers over a period of approximately 20 years. These workers were not slaves, but rather a well-organized workforce. The pyramid's construction is a testament to the organizational skills of the ancient Egyptians and their ability to mobilize vast resources for a common goal. This project would have required meticulous planning and coordination. The Great Pyramid is not just a tomb, it is a symbol of human ingenuity, a monument to the power of collective effort, and a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Egyptian civilization. Its cultural impact is immeasurable. Despite its fame and the centuries of study it has received, the Great Pyramid still holds many secrets. Researchers continue to uncover new findings that shed light on its construction and purpose. The exact methods used to transport and lift the massive stone blocks, the purpose of some of its internal chambers and shafts, and the true extent of the treasures it once held, remain subjects of ongoing research and speculation. These mysteries keep the pyramid at the forefront of archaeological inquiry. The Great Pyramid continues to captivate our imaginations, reminding us of the mysteries that lie buried beneath the sands of time. Its enduring presence is a beacon of human achievement and a source of endless fascination.